नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आप सभी का यहाँ पे चैनल में। एक इम्पॉर्टेंट न्यूज़ है रिलेटेड टू द रिफंड ऑफ द एक्सेस, उसको देखते हैं। लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द इम्पॉर्टेंट अपडेट, रिफंड ऑफ एक्सेस डिडक्शंस। इसके रिगार्डिंग एक ऑफिशियल ऑर्डर्स कॉपी है एंड मैनी ऑफ द फ्रेंड्स हैव बीन डिस्कसिंग इट एंड गेटिंग कंफ्यूज्ड आल्सो। उसी का एक ट्राइब्यूनल की तरफ से clarification है friends. You can see the Central Administration Tribunal Principal Bench case status. तो उसी की तरफ से ये केस स्टेटस है, डायरी नंबर 9285 बाय 2024 सेंट्रल सिविल पेंशनर्स फॉर्म वर्सेस पेंशन फंड एंड पेंशनर्स। लोकेशन आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं, प्रिंसिपल बेंच। डेट ऑफ फाइलिंग जो केस था 17 सितंबर 2024 का है। दिस इज फ्रॉम द साइट डेटा। यहाँ पे सेंट्रल सिविल पेंशनर्स फॉर्म वर्सेस पेंशन एंड पेंशनर्स वेलफेयर एंड अदर्स। क्या है पूरा अपडेट। यहाँ पे मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली यू कैन नोट डाउन द केस नंबर एंड get yourself updated if any problem is there, बट यहाँ पे मैं काफ़ी चीज़ें उससे पहले एक्सप्लेन करने वाला हूँ। रेस्पोनेंट्स देखें, अगर आप पेंशन्स वेलफेयर है, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ पर्सनल एंड ट्रेनिंग एक्सपेंडिचर, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ फाइनेंस। रेफरेंस केस नंबर भी आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं। लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द ऑर्डर ऑफ द ट्राइब्यूनल, जो कि हमारे लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है। Learned counsel for the applicant has drawn attention to the relief sought in the OA, which reads at under to strike down the expression 15 years in Rule 10A of CCS Rules 1985 with a further direction to the government to restore full pension as soon as the commuted value is recovered from the pensioners. Instead of prolonging recovery up to 15 years, as a result of A above, directs the government to refund the excess amount already recovered from the pensioners in those cases where commuted value stands recovered by crediting the excess amount so recovered to the bank in which their pension is being credited along with the interest of 9%। तो ये है यहाँ पे जो जेन्युइन अपडेट है, ठीक है, एट इंटरेस्ट ऑफ 9%। As a result of A and B above, full refund along with interest at 9% may also be allowed in those cases where recovery has already been effected for 15 years and full pension has now been restored. The refund amount may be directed to be credited to the bank account through which pensioners are getting pension and or pass any other order direction in the applicant's favor and against respondents। उसके बाद अगर आप F पॉइंट को देखें, allows cost of this application। The learned counsel for the applicant further draws attention to the compilation of judgment on the subject matter. He made a special reference to the following case laws, that is the order dated 9/9/24 in WPC number 2199 by 24 of the Honorable High Court of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh, order dated 8/8/24 WP number 22753 of 24 of Honorable High Court of Kerala at Ernakulam, order dated 29th August 24 in OA number 746 by 24 of the Tribunal, order dated 24 September 24 in OA number 2307 by 24 of the Armed Forces Tribunal. Learned counsel for the applicant prays to strike down the expression 15 years in Rule 10A of the CCS Rules 1985 with the direction to restore the full pension as soon as the commuted value is recovered. So, in support of his contention, he refers to the judgment of Honorable High Court of Punjab and Haryana, wherein similar issue was raised, and by giving the benefit of balance of convenience in favor of the applicants. So, the recovery of commuted value of pension has been stayed. So, the applicant in the present OA is seeking similar relief, right? तो यहाँ पे आपको काफ़ी चीज़ें क्लियर हो गई होंगी फ्रेंड्स. So, learned counsel for the respondents vehemently opposes the grant of interim relief, stating that since the rule of CCS, जो कि pension rules हैं, is under challenge in the OA and it may be heard by a division bench. So the same is applied to issue short notice. A registry is directed to list the matter before an appropriate division bench and likely to be listed on lists on 30th of September 2024. So यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं अभी पूरा जो अपडेट है रिलेशन टू द जो एक्सेस में फंड्स डिडक्ट हुए हैं दैट इज़ आफ्टर 15 ईयर्स, उसका पूरा अपडेट यहाँ पे मैंने क्लैरिफाई करने की कोशिश की है फ्रेंड्स. सो यू कैन सी हियर. So this is the order of the tribunal and learned counsel for the applicant has drawn attention to relief sought. So here directs the government to refund the excess amount already recovered from the pensioners in those cases where commuted values stands recovered by crediting the excess amount so recovered to the bank account in which their pension is being credited along with interest at 9% of per annum, and full pension has now been restored, so the refund amount may be directed to be credited to the bank account through which pensioners are getting pension. So that's all for the session. So kindly share the update and please like the efforts and subscribe to the channel friends for the latest updates in relation to the pension and other. So that's all. Thank you for being with us, and you can support us by the join button also friends, so that we can keep on making the important videos. That's all.